Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to reveal to you a simple trick how you can stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads in the browser really quickly. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So guys, for example, if Google Chrome keeps blocking downloads here in your download history, it may be due to safety settings inside your browser settings. So you can, for example, access your browser settings and change that by clicking on these three dots in the top right corner and by clicking on settings here. And inside your browser settings, head over to privacy and security here to the left. After that, choose security. And basically, guys, what makes Google Chrome block these downloads is this option here, this feature called safe browsing, and especially the option enabled below, enhanced protection, because it protects your computer from potentially harmful content or downloads. So I would recommend to leave it at enhanced protection. However, guys, if you'd like to download these files anyway, you may disable that safe browsing feature with its enhanced protection feature temporarily by selecting no protection. However, guys, I feel obligated to remind you that doing this, that disabling that protection is strongly not recommended. So it's totally up to you. That's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.